guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited that I just received my first subscription box now from Magic at Your Door. This is for April. Do you want to know what kind of magic just arrived at my door? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I did the Magical AF box. It was a big mystery box from them, and I did that and unboxed it. And then I tried out 2 other Disney boxes, and I asked you guys for your opinion on which one to keep. I went ahead and went with Magic at Your Door, and this is why. Between all 3 of them, this one has the best when it comes to the profile and all of the different questions that it asks you. It doesn't just ask like, oh, which movies do you like? It goes down to straight characters, which character of the movie you like, which parks do you like? It asks a bunch of questions, and they have a wish list that they open up and they send to you, and you can go through all of them for that month, and you can heart the ones that you like, and it makes it your wish list. And they kind of base that off of how they curate your box. Well, I went ahead and went with this company because they actually go off of the wish list, and they have, like I said, the best when it comes to the profile that you get to answer all of the questions that they customize your box with. So that, for all of those reasons, between all 3, that is why I went with this particular company. Plus their customer service has been spot on so far. They have a Facebook group you can join as well, and you can see what everybody else posts on there and interact with them. So I'm really, really glad that I chose Magic at Your Door. So again, thank you, Mickey, for letting me know about them in the first place. So let's go ahead and get in here. This is super cute. It has like, I guess maybe they just turned 3 because it has a little 3 with a little birthday cake on there. And they do put the sticker that does have your name right there. And it says, Tracy, SheCrafty. Let the magic begin. So let's go ahead and see. I'm super excited to see what is in here. So again, this is my first monthly subscription box, and the box that I got is the gold box, and I'll go over the pricing once I'm done. So this is the gold box. So I just cut the tape, and let's see what we have. If I can get it open. Okay. So there's that, and there's like a certificate on top. What? So this is Magic at Your Door, Tracy, SheCrafty. If you can dream it, you can do it, and always let your confidence be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door. 4/20/2020. And it's signed by the magic officer. That is really neat. So I guess maybe I got this because I signed up for the actual subscription box. This is welcome to the family. That is so neat. I actually like that. I'll probably frame it. And then this has some more information, I guess, on this paper. It says, more than a subscription, it's an experience. We hope that you love these magical Disney surprises that were selected specifically for you. Be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your magic box, including the insides of each item, as you never know where more Disney magic may be hiding. And then it says, thank you in recognizing of our 3rd birthday. So yes, they just turned 3. So happy birthday, Magic at Your Door. We want to sincerely thank each and every member of Magic at Your Door for being a part of this experience. And our wish this year is simply that each of you do all that you can to stay safe and to help others in whatever way you're able. So, and then it goes over like the pricing and that kind of thing. So let's dive in and see what we have. As you can see right on top, we do have some ears. So let me get this out. I'm gonna need to come up with a creative way to start storing all my ears, you guys. So if you know of anything, let me know. But these are really cute. It has a little pink in the inside with these little polka dots on the outside. And that is really cute. This is $27.99 for the ears. But on this paper, it says ear headbands are $29.99, but this is $27. There you go. How cute. I think these ears are just super cute. I'm gonna have to, once they reopen everything, at some point I'm gonna need to go to Disney World. I've only been to Disneyland. Now living in Florida, I think I should try Disney World. So, whole new world out there. So let me remove some, you guys. Okay, so this I put on my wish list and I'm so excited to see that it is in here. Oh my gosh. Let me get this out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm super excited. Like, I'm so excited. And it's heavy, so I know there's more magic inside, as they call it. Okay, you guys, if you don't know, like, I absolutely love Marilyn Monroe and Elvis. I love Lilo and Stitch as well, but look, Stitch is Elvis. That is the cutest backpack ever. And this is by Loungefly. And it is the Elvis Stitch. Oh my gosh. I am in love with that. It has like this like really soft backing that's kind of like an iridescent glittery. I don't know if that's gonna pick up, if you're gonna see all the glitter, but it is a really nice backing. It does have the 2 straps, which are like a mint green color, which are super cute. And then there is the front. Oh my gosh. You have the front zipper right here, if I can get it opened. It has something in here that's blocking it. There we go. It was the foam. I'm gonna probably hang this in my bedroom where I have all of my Elvis. But look at the inside. It has little pineapples and it has like an acoustic guitar. That is so cute. So this was the big old thing that was inside of the, right here, to kind of keep it all nice and firm. I love this. I really like the backpacks, but this one being Elvis is just super cute. So look, I'll show you that again. There's this little hair and it's like attached. Super cute. Of course it's attached. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what is on the inside. This says $75 right on there. So 75 and 30 already. Okay, you guys, and look inside. Okay, this is just super cute. And then there's also this guy here. Yes. And see, when I say they go by the wish list, they do try their very best to go off the wish list for you. Okay, let's see what's inside. I know I already said that, but let's see what's inside. I see villains. Oh my gosh, I don't know what that is, but hold on. Let me get the rest of this out of here. There's something else from my wish list. I love this company. Oh yes, I'm super glad I chose this one. So now everything is out of the bag and the whole inside is aligned with that same thing as well. That is super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to put on there the wallet to match. And hopefully one day I'll get the wallet to match. So one other thing that was on my wish list was this tea infused, like a tea infuser. This is $14.99 on the back of it. And it's like a tea ball. So you stick your loose leaf tea in there and plop it in your hot tea or your hot water to make tea. And then the little hand hangs over the side. So it's like it's a tea ball to make loose tea in your teacup. And then here is a set of 2 wine bottle stoppers with Minnie Mouse, which this is what I put on my list as well. That is super cute. And this is $14.99. So this is $14.99, $14.99. We have $29.99, we have $75, and we have this right here that says this is $12.95, and this is, let's see here, it's a journal, a 3-pack journal. So you have Ursula on the first one, you have Maleficent, it looks like that would be Maleficent, yes, on the second one, and then the back one has all of this, the writing like this. And it's all just like blank pages on the inside. So you get 3 journal books with the villains. That's super cute. I love Little Mermaid, so Ursula is definitely my favorite villain, but that is super cute. So here's this, and then there's one other thing in here. This is a lot of stuff, you guys. I'm so glad I chose this one. Super glad that I chose this one. So sorry for everybody who chose the other companies, but this is the one that I'm sticking with. There was too many good reasons not to. And oh, so this is another thing that I guess when you're the gold member, you get like an exclusive pin. And this pin, it says April 2020, and it's their birthday one. It has the 3 with the thing on top. I'm so glad I started in this month then, because now I get their 30-year pin. Like, so it has the 3 on top with the candle, and there's the castle, and it says April 2020. That is super neat. I'm gonna find a creative way to start saving these pins and to store them in a creative way to where I can see them. But I think that's really neat that they have an exclusive monthly pin that they put in their gold. The gold is $124.99, the silver is $99.99, and the bronze is $74.99. And then the one-time magical AF box like I got before was $2.99. And then there's a one-time magic box for $1.99, which all of those you can customize. And then they have a Disney mystery box, which is $49.99, but that one you cannot customize. And I have a link down below. You follow my link and it'll take you to their website, and you can use code MAGICSAVE10 to get $10 off any gold, silver, or bronze magic box, or the one-time or the magical AF box. So any of those boxes, that'll get you $10 off if you follow the link down below and use MAGICSAVE10. So, oh my gosh, you guys, again, I'm super glad that I went with this company, and I'm glad that this was my first month because it's their 3rd year, and now I have their 3-year pin. I have their 3-year certificate, and I have all these other goodies to go with it, which is the 3-piece journal book, which that's a lot. Those are some big journals in there as well. And I have the wine stoppers, the tea infused ball with Mickey's head, and the Stitch backpack, and my ears. Oh my gosh, I love this box, you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Stay tuned for next month because I now have this and I can't wait to see what we get next month now. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Did you like the items that I received? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Have you ever got this box? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.